In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add your birth date on RedNote. This is important for personalization and accuracy in its services. It allows the platform to tailor content, reminders, or recommendations based on your age and life stage. To do this, simply head to RedNote. Tap right here to head to your profile page. You want to head to Edit Profile. Select on Birth Date. You will then start by choosing your day, month, and year of birth. Now once done, tap on Save. You can also enable this option to publicly display your birth date if at all you want. Once everything is set, tap on Confirm to save all changes. By adding your birth date data, it enhances user experiences by offering age-appropriate insights or celebrating milestones. Well, that's how easy it is to add your birthday on RedNote. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.